a story of faded hopes and fleeting glory. Under city lights we fly so high. In this urban sky we never die. Lost in moments that we find. In this maze we're intertwined. Late night diners filled with chat, lonely souls and a cool cat. Midnight whispers in the air, city promises everywhere. In a playground of stars we run, past Jupiter and Neptune we spun. Galactic swings and astral slides, laughing through the cosmic tides. We chase comets across the sky, catching with a stellar high five. In the Milky Way we leap and bound, space stars scattered all around. Let's play among the astral beams, dance on Saturn's golden rings. In this cosmic carnival it seems, dreams are real and real are dreams. Through the mazes we navigate, find treasures at a rapid rate. Black holes we dare to peek inside, wonders of the void cannot hide. Nebulae paint our faces bright, auroras in the endless night. Universe our playground wide, in the starlit sea we glide. Let's play among the astral beams, dance on Saturn's golden rings. In this cosmic carnival it seems, dreams are real and real are dreams. I met a spaceman in my backyard. He said his spaceship broke apart. With a wink he stole my car keys. Now he's cruising through the galaxies. My dog